Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Watch Stash app on your iPhone. First, download the Watch Stash application from the App Store. Once installed, open it and grant any requested permissions to ensure everything works smoothly. Then, you will either create a new account or log in if you already have one, which sets up your personal digital watch collection. This initial setup takes just a few moments. Now, let's add your watches. Simply tap the plus icon, usually found at the bottom of the screen, to begin adding a new timepiece. You can input crucial details such as the brand, model, and even the specific reference number. Don't forget to include the purchase date. Afterward, organize your watches into custom categories or collections, making it incredibly easy to browse your entire inventory. The Watch Stash app is excellent for tracking important information. You can log the service history, warranty details, and even appraisal values for each of your timepieces. Set helpful reminders for routine maintenance, insurance renewals, or when a battery change might be due. Additionally, upload photos and relevant documents to create a comprehensive and secure digital record of your entire collection. For advanced users, explore the market value tracking feature to monitor your collection's estimated worth over time. You can also securely share your watch collection details with friends or even insurance providers when needed. Finally, always remember to back up your data regularly. This ensures all your valuable watch information remains safe and accessible, providing peace of mind for your cherished timepieces.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.